The spread of bird flu to domestic cats has one Jacksonville veterinarian taking extra precautions. Our Zach Wilcox is joining us live now from Intracoastal West Veterinary Hospital on the south side. And Zach, you say they changed their policies there this week?
Now, O'Reilly, just over the past couple of weeks, we've seen a breakout of the bird flu at a sanctuary, a big cat sanctuary up in Washington. We've seen several cases in domestic cats in California. Obviously, those places are pretty far away from Florida, and we haven't seen any cases just yet in Florida. But with the risk of it spreading through wild birds, and of course those can travel, the team here is just taking some extra precautions just to play it better safe than sorry.
It's definitely not something we want to panic about or anything, but we need to be thoughtful about our indoor-outdoor cats.
With bird flu disrupting the milk and egg industries, then appearing in several species of cats across the country, Dr. Katie Green called her team at Intracoastal West Veterinary Hospital together this week to talk about safety measures.
Starting to use some protective equipment if we have patients that are coming in with any upper respiratory or neurologic signs, wearing masks and gloves and things like that.
Green says she's now asking cat owners more about what their cats are eating, pointing out the link between raw diets and the bird flu.
Recommend that people probably not feed a raw diet right now, or if they are, just know that they're increasing that risk.
She's also asking folks about their cats' possible exposure to wild birds and poultry flocks. For cats who split time between being outside and inside, she's recommending to bring them in for the time being if possible.
Me personally, I have a cat that he will not be an indoor cat. He is miserable and just trying to escape at every turn. And so for some pets, it's not practical for them to be made into an indoor-only cat. That would be wonderful if they could all stay inside right now.
Aside from those two tips, Green is just hoping to make sure her clients are aware of the bird flu risks and to be on the lookout for any coughing, sneezing, or neurologic issues with their cats.
Don't want to cause panic, we just want to be cautious.
Now, Green did want to point out that there haven't been any cases of transmission from cat to human yet, or at least any evidence of that. So really them wearing the gloves and the masks and all the protective equipment is just an abundance of caution while we wait to see how this thing plays out. On the south side, Zach Wilcox, First Coast News, on your side.